Welcome to the next video here on All for Shooters and All for Hunters from the IWA 2024. I'm with Peter at the booth from Nextorch, and you have some interesting products here on the table for me.
Yeah, welcome at our booth at the IWA Show 2024. And yeah, I want to show you and introduce you our latest product. So we're very proud to present you the TA31. As you see, it's brand new, really hot item. We don't have the time to make the laser engraving for the label or also for the model. So yeah, the TA30 series grown up and become to the TA31. It is a 10,000 lumens flashlight. Yeah,
that's really very much.
You can lock the switch. So different position. Lock the switch. We have the battery system. Blue battery light indicator. Battery indicator. Blue light shows 100% full.
Good.
75% is blinking blue. Red 50. 25% red blinking, and latest then you should charge it. Usually you should charge it directly by USB-C. The newest and latest version of USB, quick charging with high power. So it means you can charge it within 2 hours completely.
Sounds
also,
really good.
We have here some ignition sensors. If you are too close for an object, it slow down. Be careful about your eyes now. No, nothing happened because I still locked it.
You locked it?
Turn around the switch. Press and you see directly it turned down because it's too bright. So you can really feel the power of the light because it's getting a little bit warm in your hands.
Amazing.
So the advantage is directly if you locked it, switch it to the other position, and then you have tactical light. Tactical light means you only have momentary on, and be careful, and also this strobe. It has a very aggressive strobe of 10,000 lumens with variable frequency, so it's more powerful for your object against the other.
Sounds really good. So the TA30 going bigger and bigger.
Going bigger and bigger. You have now you can see you have 4 LED inside. You have the window breaker out of ceramic, and also the bracelet is made out of titanium. So very high quality flashlight.
Really good, really good. So, but there are also some new products around the TA30.
So as you know, our main product or the hottest item is the TA30 third generation of the, with 1,600 lumens, and also of course the switch, as I introduced you at the same at the TA31, and the bracelet and the battery indication. What we did, we adjusted based on your purpose. Because we recognized sometimes the purpose is a little bit different, so you have to adjust your tool. So the flashlight is a tool. Additional the ring, and this, for example, is the KISS switch. KISS means for us keep it simple and safe. You can lock it, so it is safe. Nothing happened if you take it away in your backpack or your equipment. If you are on duty and you need it, only unsafe, and then thumb on, it's light, thumb away. Not so really easy for operation because it must be safe and functionable all the time.
And in some scenarios you don't need the extra option for light modes or so.
For example, this switch mainly is developed for army, for tough purpose. You don't need any mode. You are in very stressful situations, don't have the time to think about, so you need only light.
I understand. So perfect.
The second switch, so we present 3 new types of switches. The second one is the operator switch. Operator switch means it has all the same features as the common switch, means wrong flashlight, sorry. So they're looking all the same. You have all the times the text switch means momentary on and the strobe. And then turn around, you have the reading mode. up to 1600 lumen, different 4 modes, battery ignition, ignition like the TA31, but also this is the operator switch. You have the indoor mode.
Okay.
Indoor means sometimes policemen enter a room, they don't know the conditions, there are mirrors, there are white walls, and everything is light which can reflect and blind yourself. So in this case, turn completely to the other side, or indoor mode means you have only 300 lumen momentary on light. If there's somebody, you need more light, you can push the strobe and then you have 1600 lumens full strobe. This is the operator switch, and the last switch, I told you we have 3 new switches, is the cable switch if you want to mount the TA30 somewhere, because it's really sturdy enough. You can use it as weapon light in countries where it is allowed, and use it for shooting.
Really, really good.
So
I like the concept to have maybe one light and use different switches or upgrade and light you have in your arsenal. So really, really good, and all the options.
And the latest one. So of course some tactical switch is a little bit dangerous, because if you have your switch on a common holster, on a common pouch, and your plate carrier press around it, you blink and you don't want it.
Yes, of course.
So in this case, this is our latest holster. We improved the V31 holster to the V35 holster. This is the new V35. And then the switch is completely protected.
The flashlight is locked.
The flashlight is locked. You can also secure it with a bungee cord. So it cannot fall down. And the clue of this holster is we make it more tighter, more slim. This is only one part of MOLLE. Also, you have the belt reduction inside. You can turn it around 360 degrees as you want, and it works.
Perfect.
So, of course,
really good
if you unlock it here and press, you can change the back plate. Because sometimes I should remove the bungee cord at first, and it might be easier. So again, so maybe you have it on your belt and also some back plate on your plate carrier. And then you want to change without changing the complete system, and it's sometimes a little bit tricky to mount it. Then you have it on the plate carrier and then click only on it, and then you can use it.
Really good. I like it. Perfect.
Thank you.
So, some really interesting news from Nextorch. Thank you for showing me all the details about the product novelties this time at the IWA.
Thank you for being here. It's always a pleasure, and please come back next year so I can present you more new tools and innovative products.
Yeah, I will. Perfect. Thank you very much.
Thank you. And
thank you for your time.
And please enjoy the IWA 2024.
Yeah.